Assalamu alaikum everyone. Therap Java Fest has been a beacon of innovation and a platform for bringing together brilliant minds. It's an honor to be part of this vibrant community, and we are deeply thankful to the organizers for creating this space where ideas flourish and technology thrives. Imagine a world where cutting-edge technology meets the criteria needs of healthcare. I am MD Ashikur Rahman and my teammate MD Jakaria Hossain. Today we are excited to share our journey in revolutionizing healthcare. Let's first understand the healthcare challenges we set out to address. Healthcare access can be a challenge, especially the underserved community. Many people struggle to find timely medical support and information when they need it most. Today, we are here to tell you how we are tackling these challenges head on. Our solution, MEDCARE, is healthcare support platform built with React.js for the front end, Spring Boot for the back end, and powered by machine learning AI. Our platform connect donor, patient, and healthcare professionals. But before diving into technical details, let's provide with an overview of our project. In MEDCARE, users fall into four categories: anonymous user, registered user, doctor, and admin, each with their roles and responsibility. Our platform's use cases are account creation, searching and filtering for services, AI-driven chat for medical guidance, doctor consultations, fundraising for medical expenses, and user profile management. Now, my teammate MD Zakaria will demonstrate the workflow of our application.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Jakaria Hossain. In this section, I am going to demonstrate our project. You can view a live demo visiting this website. Currently, I am using this website as an anonymous user. In the home page, you can see all the features of this project are shown, like AI-powered chatbot, virtual doctor consultations, nearest ambulance tracking, doctor registration, blood donors finding, and fundraising. Let's take a look at the nearest ambulance tracking section. Here you can see all the registered ambulance location here. These locations are real time. That means if any ambulance of these moves anywhere, the location is updated and reflected here. I want to see my location. Where am I? Yes. Now I can see that this ambulance is nearest for me. I can see the details of it, copy the number, and can contact him. Now let's move to the find blood section. Here all the blood donors details are shown. You can filter your desired location and blood group. And also sort them. Now let's take a look at the chatbot section. The chatbot is here. I can give some symptoms. Yes, I want to add more symptoms. No. Yes, that's the prediction. I can see this chatbot in full screen by clicking this icon. Okay. Now I want to log in this website. As I have no account, I need to sign up here. Let's provide some details. Now I have some new sections for my user account. So I can visit my profile, reset password and sign out. Now let's navigate to the raise fund section. Here I can see all the fundraise posts are shown. Let's see the post details. No donation here, so I want to donate now. Okay, I can see the proof documents. Right. I can also donate, not going to the details page, shortcut here. Okay. As a user, I have new option for the find blood section. If I want to donate blood, I can add my informations here. Yes, that's updated. In the ambulance section, I have new option for adding my ambulance. Let's add mine. Now you can see my ambulance location and my current position is same here. In the doctors section, all the doctors in this website are shown. I can filter them. Sort them. View details. Here, the doctor have some available slots upcoming. This shows upcoming 2 months slots. In each day, I have some available slots, so I want to book some here. In the raise fund section, I can add new post here. But this post is not shown here because this needs admin approval. Now, if I navigate to my profile section, I can see this pending post here. This is not approved yet. I can delete now this post. In this section, I have also an option of ambulance details. I can edit this and update this. In my appointments section, all my ongoing and upcoming appointments are shown. In each appointment, I can see the details, doctor profile, specializations, my description, and appointment fee. Now, I want to log in as a doctor, but I have to register me as a doctor that will approve by the admin. Then I can log in as a doctor. Let's add some doctor details. Let's provide some available times. Let's submit it. It says I have to stay tuned for the confirmation email. Now I want to log in as admin. Admin has some options here like doctor applications and fundraise posts. In the pending fundraise posts, I can approve any of these requests or decline them. I can approve here or by navigating to the details page. I can delete here or approve them. I uploaded this post a few minutes ago. I can see that profile here. Yes, approved it. Approved it. Let's navigate to that user page. Here, if I refresh it, I can see my post as approved. So it is not it's not longer pending, but it's already updated. Now I can donate it. Okay. So admin has more options like doctor applications. Here, application of doctors are shown in a table. Admin can export this file, sort these columns, search it. We can view the CV, approve any request or decline them. So I applied this profile here recently, so I want to approve here. So email is sent to the corresponding user. Let's check our mail. So I have this password and email. I want to copy this and log in here. So this is my email and password. So now I have logged in as a doctor. I can see my profile. So in my profile section, I have two options. I can delete my profile and also edit them. Let's see my available slots. Today I have one slot available at 6 p.m. I can delete it. Yes, I can delete it. In edit profile section, I can edit my informations without this email part. All the informations can be edited. I can add some more available times and update. In case of security, I don't have to use this password all the time. I can reset my password navigating to this section. So I have to provide new password. Yes, that's updated. But if I forgot somehow my password, so I can provide my email so that I get some OTP and update my password. So let's check our mail. The OTP is given. Now I can provide the new password. This error is shown because I don't log out here. I have already logged in. If I log out, then try to reset my password, I can do that. So here is the new password. I have to log in again. That's it. After registering this doctor, I want to appoint to this doctor as a user. So previously I created an account named Yasir Ali. So I navigate to the doctor section, find the doctor. see all the available times and book appointment. Let's provide a short description. Confirm. So in 2 October, I have several options. Let's book more appointments. Okay. In my appointments section, I can see all the upcoming appointments. At the first of them, it is at 6 p.m. So after 20 minutes, I will return here and see the ongoing appointments in the list and consult the doctor in a video call. Right now, it's almost 6:30. So I should have an ongoing appointment right now. Let's check it. In appointments section, yes, I can see these ongoing appointments with Dr. Jakaria Hossain. I have logged in my mobile as this doctor so that I can demonstrate this. Let's join now. I can turn on and off this video playback. Let's join from the mobile. I have to mute the mic so that no echo occurs. Okay, this is the high quality video calling and doctor consultation. I can turn on and off the camera. This is implemented using WebRTC, and right now both the devices are connected in the same Wi-Fi, but in case of different network, it will also work. Let's end the call. It will automatically end the call in the other side. Now let's take a short preview of the code structure of the front end. In the front end folder, I have this index.html file for React component, the Docker file, and some other React configuration files with this Firebase config.js. In the utils folder, I have all the utility functions and constants. Same goes for UI component. The components used all over the UI. In themes, I have customized the theme for light and dark mode. In routes folder, it contains the routes of this application, which includes main routes and authentication routes. In the pages section, all the pages and corresponding components are here. Layout is the structure of this page, and HTTP folder contains the API requests for this project. So that's all from my side. Now, my project partner Ashikur Rahman will demonstrate the next part, the code structure of backend.
Before diving into the backend code preview, we have shown ER diagram of our project. And in our backend code, the entity folder contains all the entity of database are coded here, like appointment entity, blood donate post entity, doctor entity, and so many entities are coded here for our projects. Let's see the backend architecture of our project. We code backend by following this architecture. Here, front-end client requests to backend for getting services or data from database. Controller will take the request and validate the request and send the request to the service section for accessing data from database through data access object, and repository layer is responsible for collecting, putting, and update and also delete the data in database. In our backend code, we implement all the section we have shown in the figure. First, the controller section, we are right here all the services controller like ambulance controller, appointment controller, and all the URL API endpoint listed here, and every controller is in the controller section. And then after that, we have the all repository section for our all entity, like ambulance post repository, appointment repository of doctor, blood donate post repository, and all the repository codes are coded in repository folder. And then the services folder, and all the services we are use the interface for loosely coupled our code, and we implement the services in service implementation folder. So our services is look like that. It is ambulance post services. Like here we enlist our services, we coded our services in every we coded our services in every interface, and we implement the services in the service implementation. Like ambulance service implementation is written here, and every services is connected to database through the repository. There is all the services implementation of the service implementation folder. And when a client requests our backend, they will give us data as JSON format. We will convert this JSON as data transfer object DTOs. Like ambulance post request will send the JSON, and we will convert it ambulance post DTO. For the same, for appointment, blood donate post, doctor application, and fundraise post DTO, slots, and user DTO. And we are sending a response to our client by using some response. Most of the cases we are sending the DTO. In the special cases we are sending some special response from here. And in our backend application, the configuration section is defined our configuration of our backend application. In the configuration section, we write configuration, all the configuration of our application. Like we use JWT token based authentication, and we configure the JWT token, and course issue is here. And after all, our main class of our backend is this, and we can run this application by running this main method. Here is our GitHub repository link, and thanks everyone for watching this video.